Hi everyone, good day to you. How are you doing today? My name is Victor Fabian Osagai from Mimshach Properties and Consultancy. If this is your first time seeing my video, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and do not forget to share this video as well. So we have a beautiful two-bedroom apartment located in Ajah Lekki, Lagos. Now, one thing I have vowed to do this year is to bring affordable properties to you. Now, the decision will be left to you if you are going to buy or not, if you're investing or not. But I am going to keep bringing affordable real estate to you. One of those is what you're seeing here. This is a two-bedroom apartment located in Ajah Lekki, Lagos. You can see this is the living area, very spacious. I tell you, very spacious. The rooms are in suites. It has a guest toilet, making it three toilets altogether. It has balcony both in front and behind. The place is secured. You can see the water is clean, as you can see from here. The sanitary walls are all fixed. This can be used for shortlet. It can also be used for rentals. It can also be used as a residential apartment. Beautiful place. The titles are all in place. You can also come or send your legal team for us to send them the document for verification as well. All rooms are in suites. The windows are tight, and it's selling for 120 million naira. 120 million naira. Now, if you feel 120 million naira is too much, you can also give an offer. Like I said, my aim is to bring affordable properties to you. Your decision or your job is to make the decision if you're going to invest or not, and that is exactly what I'm bringing to you today. So I think this is the second room, and you can see the rooms all have wardrobes. They are in suites. You have your water heater, you have your what's bathroom cubicle, everything in place. And of course there's security as well. There's a call security as well, so you don't just come in. I mean, you have to call them for to gain access um into the compound. So yes, we have two bedrooms. We only have limited space available. It's almost sold out. If you truly want this for yourself, kindly give me a call. Let me quickly help you, see this deal. This is the kitchen, as you can see, very spacious. The kitchen has the cooker, you have your double sink, there's space for microwave, you have your extractor, kitchen cabinet. The list is endless. This is a beautiful space, and it's calling your name on it. So give me a call. 120 million is the price. We only have limited spaces available. You can see this is the balcony. I think that's the back balcony or the front. But yeah, the both of them have two balconies. So I took you around the compound. Every apartment has its own meter, so you do not have to fear or worry about meter as well. Okay, guys, I think this is where I will leave you. Give me a call on the number showing on that screen. Let's help you, you know, close this transaction, and let's make this apartment yours. Congratulations in advance. I will be on the other end waiting for your call or your message on WhatsApp.